In. In.
Needing or using no more time than a particular amount of time.
Can you finish the job in 2 weeks? Dinner will be ready in 10 minutes. She could get that essay done in a couple of hours if she really tried.
Forming a part of something.
He used to be the lead singer in a rock band. There are too many spelling mistakes in this essay. I've been waiting in this queue for ages.
Close to the front part of something or where someone can see or hear you.
He parked the car in front of the house.
Into an area or space from the outside of it.
Could you bring the clothes in for me? Cut the pastry into a square and turn in the corners. Digital camera. Digital camera.
A type of camera that records images that you can use and store on a computer.
These days almost everyone uses a digital camera. Share. Share.
To have or use something at the same time as someone else.
Bill and I shared an office for years. I share a house with 4 other people. She's very possessive about her toys and finds it hard to share.
To divide something between 2 or more people.
Will you share your sandwich with me? Let's share the sweets among or between everyone. We should share in the reward.
Model. Model.
A design of machine or car that is made by a particular company.
A luxury or new model. The latest model.
A smaller copy of a real object, often used to show how something works or what it looks like.
A model of the railway. By looking at this model you can get a better idea of how the bridge will look. A plastic model aircraft.
Ham. 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 Ham.
Meat from a pig's back or upper leg.
A ham sandwich. Cereal. Cereal.
A food that is made from grain and usually eaten with milk, especially in the morning.
A bowl of cereal. Breakfast cereals.
Champagne. Champagne.
Champagne. Champagne.
French white wine with lots of bubbles in it which people often drink to celebrate something.
We always celebrate our wedding anniversary with a bottle of champagne.
Right. Right.
Right. Right.
Right. Right. Right, 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 rightly.
On or towards the side of your body that is to the east when you are facing north.
Most people write with their right hand. There's a tree on the right side of the house.
To the side of your body that is to the east when you are facing north.
Turn or go right at the first traffic lights.
Used at the beginning of a sentence to get someone's attention or to show you have understood someone.
Right, whose turn is it to tidy up? Right, so Helen's coming tomorrow and Trevor on Thursday.
The right side of your body, or the direction towards this side.
You'll find her in the second room on the right.
Used to express agreement with someone.
Johnny, you climb up first, right?
Id. Id.
An official document that shows or proves who you are.
Make sure you carry some ID with you.
Answer. Answer.
Answer. Answer.
Information given as a reply to a question in a test, exercise, competition, etc.
Did you get the answer to question 6? I got 8 correct answers and 2 wrong ones in last week's exam.
When someone answers the door or telephone.
I've just rung him but there was no answer.
To open the door to someone or pick up the telephone.
Could someone answer the phone? Someone's at the door. Would you answer it, please?
Painting. Painting.
Painting. Painting.
Paint, painter, painting, paint.
A picture that someone has painted.
A painting by Caravaggio. The walls are covered with oil paintings.
The activity of painting pictures or painting surfaces.
We were taught painting and drawing at art college. When we bought the house, we had to do a lot of painting and redecorating.
Library. Library.
A room or building that contains a collection of books and other written material that you can read or borrow.
A public or university library. A library book. Upset. Upset.
Unhappy or worried because something unpleasant has happened.
They'd had an argument and she was still upset about it. Mike got very upset when I told him the news. She was very upset to hear that the holiday had been cancelled.
Visitor. Visitor.
Visit, visitor, visit.
Someone who visits a person or place.
Ben, you've got some visitors to see you. The museum attracts large numbers of visitors. Mix. Mix. Mix, mixture, mix.
If two or more substances mix, they combine to make one substance, and if you mix two or more substances, you combine them to make one substance.
Oil and water don't mix. Mix the powder with water to form a paste. In a large bowl, mix together the flour, sugar and raisins.